2018 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter Hemi. 2018 Toyota Tundra V8 iForce 5.7 liter V8. V8 iForce 5.7. It works. Anyways, what we got done on it, there's the factory converters there and there. 4 of them total. Then it comes true dualed already from the factory, as you guys can see. Then he saw one of our videos earlier that we had done on a different Toyota, and he said he loved the sound. So that's what we did for him also. We put him 2 CARVEN R's, part number, R series. There's, I think the part number's on there. You know, typical technical difficulties. There's no part number. There it is. We'll have a link in the description for you guys on it. It's like CR something. I don't know. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. So we have to put adapters on each side because the mufflers that were on it are huge. And then you got 2 tailpipes there and there. We have to do custom tailpipes on it for them to get it straight out the back instead of the side. As you guys can see there, there's the 2 mufflers. It's a TRD system. So he wanted it straight out the back instead of the sides. That's what we did for him. Into massive 5-inch tips right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Appreciate it. Much better. Oh man, that sounds so good on these things. Here's sound decibels. 108. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. I love the look of the truck, man. It's awesome. That is a beautiful truck. Much better. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Like always, subscribe. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra. Beautiful truck. CARVEN R's, Type R's, and 5-inch tips. I like the badging, how he did that. That's awesome.